sa pinakatuig na, no? Can we seal this with a kiss? Can we seal it with a kiss? Sa siningamon. No? Oh, tada na. Kalmati ang mga couple na nagabungkong na ari nila, no? And then we have some special token for all of you, and we will have as well special prayer kapag atangin. Pastor George? Ano siya? Pastor George, okay. Sige, at the count of 3, already, ang mga couple dogan, we will seal this program with a kiss. Like for kaya kabalo for over 30 years, 33 years, wala na ka mga kiss, no? Ang iba na nag-kiss ito na. Okay, ready? Tawarin niyo, walang mouse pa. Ready, 1! At the count of 3. Oh, excited lagi ba, no? Excited na lang. Mada naman kayo, kayo mag-picture na sa atin ko. By the way, kapti yung couple na kasi na yung couple makisali daan.